Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can connect your iPhone hotspot to your PS4. It's really easy, and the first what you need to do here, you need to go on your iPhone, and then you need to look for settings, press on settings, and then look for personal hotspot. Make sure to turn on this button, and also when you set up and when you connect your PS4 to your hotspot, make sure to leave this window open on your iPhone. And once you're done with the hotspot, the next thing what you need to do here on the iPhone, on the PS4, you need to go on settings, and then you need to go on network, and then press on setup internet connection, press use Wi-Fi, you press easy, and then the PS4 will look for your hotspot. And as you can see here on the bottom, there is iPhone. Press on that, put the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, press done, okay. And as you can see here, it's now connecting to my iPhone hotspot. So let me connect my PS4 to my hotspot, and as you can see here, checking network environment, and as you can see here, it's working. So, and yeah, internet settings updated. So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.